Hello everyone and welcome to a new Elliottwave forecast.com. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at TSM, the Taiwan Semiconductor stock. We have here the weekly chart and we'll be going over the main overall picture before we go over the daily buying opportunity that is taking place at current stage. So we can see here within the weekly cycle that the stock already have a previous wave 1 and 2 since 2021, the main peak there, followed by a 3 waves pullback in wave 2, within a flat structure in wave 2 that ended in 2022. And we are currently within that main cycle that traded into new all-time highs. And of course, we are seeing an impulsive rally within the wave 3. And the main idea at this stage is that this cycle within the wave 3 in blue is still in progress. We are still missing one more swing. If we count the swings from the 2022 low, we are missing one more swing to the upside to finish the cycle. Despite technically speaking, this cycle could be called completed. I mean, technically speaking, after the fact, if this wave 4 from August 2024 price managed to break below, then we can call the cycle completed. But even at that stage, we should be at least having a bounce to the upside, which will be diving in the short-term daily cycle. Now, the idea is that this wave 3 is in progress, suggests that, of course, from all-time lows, we are seeing only 3 waves to the upside, which is still a bullish sequence because market, we don't see 3 waves into new highs. So ideally, this is still looking for a 3, 4, and 5. So missing more upside within the monthly cycle. And in that case, any buying opportunity, any pullback, of course, will be presenting a buying opportunity in 3, 7, 11 swings, either within this wave 4, current wave 4 in red, or later on within the wave 4 in blue, and more upside should be seen. We need also to notice that the stock already reached the equal X area from all-time lows. If we take the equal X area from this connector, of course, from 2022, we can see we already reached the equal X area around 200, all the way can extend toward 288. So we are already within the weekly extreme area. That's why we are seeing this choppy price action that started since last year. Since the market reached the target around 200, we started seeing some choppy price action as the market is in process of making a series of 3-4, 3-4, and finishing the wave 5 later on. Now, if we take a look on the daily chart, we are expecting this pullback that is taking place from the recent peaks from January 2025. It's technically speaking unfolding within a zigzag ABC. We can see here that the wave C is already showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this zigzag structure already have enough number of swings to finish the wave C. And most importantly, the 3 waves pullback reached our buying area within the blue box presented by the equal X around 176.39, 152.41. And this extreme area is where we expect the market to find buyers and turn higher, either in this case to resume the rally within a new 5-wave advance and to new highs, which will be this wave 5. And in that case, the stock will be looking for a minimum target around 240, 262 before a larger pullback takes place, or worst case scenario, of course, that all we're gonna see here is just a 3-wave bounce that could fail below the previous peak. Then a double correction in wave 4 could still happen if it doesn't manage to make new all-time highs. Either a double correction in this wave 4, or as I mentioned it, this could be already the wave 3. So you can be doing the correction in wave 4 in the larger degree. But you can understand at this stage, no matter what happens, no matter what the path will be, either new all-time highs or just the wave 3 is in place, the market will be reacting higher from current blue box area. And this will be driving price at least to correct the previous rally from January peak. And that will take the stock back toward 197 all the way toward 212. So a 3-wave bounce at least, but our favorite path is that we are expecting the stock to rally into new highs toward 240 area. So I hope the idea is clear. The stock is bullish in basically all time frames apart from this 1 hour 4 hour correction. So we are in the process of turning higher. So these long-term time frame are supporting the idea of new highs. Therefore, we only recommend buying these pullbacks in 307 swings, and this is your best buying opportunity within the daily cycle, looking for the resumption of the main bullish trend. Thanks everyone for watching, and see you on the next video.